Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a Swift motor car, right?
A Swift Lucky Strike.
Swift Lucky Strike motorcycle. Never seen one of these. It's a bobber style. It's got what, a 1380 Harley?
1380 Evo engine.
Okay.
A lot of chrome. Special paint.
It's Vance and Hines pipes. I like the big wide whites on it. Gives it that vintage look. What year was it, man?
That was a Vance Hines.
Yep.
Short stack. And it's a 2007.
Gotcha. Very cool. I like the Lucky Strike on the fender. That's a real nice touch. Got a lot of power too, huh?
Oh yeah.
Very cool. Well guys, if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, pricing, detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.